Okay, so now I'm going to show you the roof pump on this truck. So again, we have the 2 pressure washers and we also have the roof pump. So this is going to be used for roof cleaning, and then if there's any house washing that has severe staining, this is what you'll be using for that. So what you need to know is that this is basically an air compressor. So these 2 tanks right here is compressed air, and the way that this is working is that the air is causing suction to happen at the pump, and the pump then will siphon through chemicals. So we'll go through chemicals and all that kind of stuff in another video, but essentially you have an air compressor that's forcing chemicals to go through a line, and at the end of the line is what you're using to clean roofs and buildings and other surfaces with. So the way to start this machine is you have this toggle on-off switch. To start it, you're going to start it in the on position, which is up. At the tanks, you're going to have these little valves that you'll open and close. You'll start with it closed. The only reason to open it is at the end of a job you'll need to let the air out, and I'll show you that here in a second. So this is open. This is your choke. You're going to pull it towards you. You're going to start it by pulling. You're going to push in. It's running. You'll close this. And you'll hear that it revs up. The RPMs go higher. And now it is essentially siphoning chemicals. To turn it off, there is a simple push button right here at the top next to the choke. You just push it. And then if we come over here to the side, we can see the metering valve and how that works. So you have 3 different valves here. This valve on the end is what controls the SH, which is sodium hypochlorite, which is otherwise known as bleach. This is your cleaning agent. This middle one is water. And this one right here is soap or surfactant. So depending on the severity of the staining, you can control this to whatever degree that you need. That'll be in another video explaining the different ratios. This water will always be open all the way, and this soap, depending on how much soap you need, will be opened typically just a little bit, maybe to a half of a notch or a 1. All that again will be explained in another video. But these are the metering valves. This controls your SH, water, and soap.